Hey guys, Kitchen Emperor sent me one of their Damascus steel chef's knives to review and one to give away as well. So let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at this thing. Kitchen Emperor Match Special U. It has their logo on it. Looks like a cloth to wipe it off with there. Little instruction booklet, kind of tells you how it's made. 67 layer Damascus steel and all that good stuff. But let's get in here and see what the knife looks like. Wow, that is pretty. I don't know if you can see the designs, but these Damascus steel knives are super pretty. And they're usually pretty sharp. I have another Damascus steel knife and it holds its edge really well. I think this is a G10 handle. I really don't know what that means, but that's what it says. G10 handle. Anyway, it has a nice feel to it. Let's try cutting something with it. I'm not going to drag out a whole bunch of different things to cut with. It's a new knife, so we know it should be sharp. But potatoes are something that I cut quite a bit. Just try it on this potato. And seems to go right through it. Actually, look at that. Just just rock the knife a little bit, and the knife does all the work. Really, really nice. Yeah, that works really good. Figured it probably would. Sure is a pretty knife. I'm looking forward to using this some more. I think these sell for about $90. I'll put the link to Amazon in the description in case anybody wants to take a look at it for themselves. And if you'd like to win one, just leave a comment, say you'd like to win the knife. And let's see, today's Wednesday. I'll do the drawing on Friday. And I'm not going to make a video of it, I'll just message whoever wins. Actually, you know what I'll do is I'll post the winner on my Facebook page. So I'll put the link to my Facebook page, my TosTinMan Easy Cooking Facebook page as well. So if you go over there and like that page and you want to see the winner, I'll post it on my Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.